Wix, a user-friendly website builder. A brief history. Wix, a leading cloud-based website development platform, was founded in 2006 in Tel Aviv, Israel. Its innovative drag-and-drop interface revolutionized website creation, making it accessible to people of all technical backgrounds. From its humble beginnings, Wix has grown into a global powerhouse, catering to millions of users worldwide. Pricing structure. Wix offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Free plans are available for those just starting out, while premium plans provide additional features and benefits, such as custom domains, increased storage, and advanced SEO tools. The pricing structure is transparent and flexible, allowing users to choose the plan that best aligns with their website goals. Step-by-step guide to using Wix. Create an account. Sign up for a Wix account using your email address. Choose a template. Browse Wix's extensive library of professionally designed templates and select one that matches your desired style and industry. Customize your website. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add elements like text, images, videos, and buttons to your website. You can customize the layout, colors, and fonts to create a unique design. Add content. Populate your website with engaging content, including text, images, and videos. Use Wix's built-in tools to optimize your content for search engines. Connect a domain. Purchase a domain name or connect an existing one to your Wix website. Publish your website. Once you're satisfied with your website, click the Publish button to make it live on the internet. Comparison to other web builders. Wix stands out from other web builders due to its user-friendly interface, extensive template library, and powerful customization options. While other platforms may offer similar features, Wix's focus on ease of use and design flexibility makes it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced users. A final note, Wix is a versatile and powerful tool for creating stunning websites. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or simply looking to showcase your creativity online, Wix has everything you need to get started. So why wait? Sign up for a free account today and start building your dream website. Joke. What do you call a website that sells fish? A fishy site. Thank you and God bless. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like this video to support our content. Remember, this video was created with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. God bless.